5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
6 left long, 100.
Keep left of a crest jump, 50. Slow, 5 right, 40, turn very tight hairpin right. 100. Turn very tight hairpin left, don't cut. 120. 6 right, opens of a crest, 50. Keep middle of a big jump, 50. Crest and 6 left of a jump. And keep right over 180, over long crest. Caution, turn unseen, 3 right. 4 left. Opens long. Into 5 right. 50. 6 right. 150. 4 right long. Opens of a jump. Into 6 right of a dip. A crest. Caution. 4 left of a crest. Opens 40. 4 left. Opens 6 to keep right of a jump. And keep right of a crest, 30. Cut, 5 left. 60. 6 right.
And 6 left. And 3 right tightens.
Into 4 left of a crest. Opens 30. 1 right tightens. Into 4 left. Opens of a crest. 100. Keep middle of a crest jump. 50. 6 right long. Into 6 left. Extra long. Tightens 3. Opens. Into 4 right. Tightens over bridge long. Tightens 3. Keep right over 80. To keep middle of a long crest. And jump. 80. Keep left of a jump. Into 4 right long. Opens of a crest. Slow 30. Turn. Tight hairpin left. 80. Keep left of a crest, 30. 6 right long. And keep left of a crest, 50. 4 left of a crest, very long. Opens 150. 6 right, 80. Turn unseen, 2 right. Opens 150. 5 left of a crest, 30. 5 right long. Opens of a finish. Into 6 left long. How did the car feel in that stage? Do you want to make any setup changes at the next service?